Hi everyone, welcome back to Cause Health Hub. Today we are tackling a critically important topic which is bowel cancer, also known as colorectal cancer. It's the third most common cancer worldwide, but the good news is the early detection can dramatically increase the survival rates. In this video, I am gonna walk you through 5 urgent symptoms of bowel cancer that you should never ignore. Recognizing these signs early and getting the right medical help could save your life or the life of someone you care about. So make sure you watch until the end. So guys, first symptom to be aware of is a persistent change in your bowel habits. This can include diarrhea, constipation, or a noticeable change in the consistency of your stool. You might find yourself needing to go more or less often, or your stools may become much looser or harder than usual. While occasional changes can be normal, especially if related to diet or stress, any changes that last more than a few weeks need to be checked out by a doctor. It could be your body's way of telling you that something more serious is going on. Symptom number 2 is blood in your stools or rectal bleeding. Seeing blood can be alarming and it's important not to ignore it. Bright red blood might indicate bleeding from the lower part of the bowel, while darker, almost black stools could suggest bleeding higher up in the digestive tract. Although there are other causes for blood in your stools such as hemorrhoids, bowel cancer is a possibility that needs to be ruled out. If you notice any form of blood during or after bowel movements, make an appointment with your healthcare provider as soon as possible. Next up is unexplained weight loss. We all experience weight fluctuations, but when you start losing weight without changing your diet or exercise routine, it's a red flag. Rapid unexplained weight loss can be a sign that your body is fighting something serious. Bowel cancer can affect how your body absorbs nutrients, leading to weight loss. It can also cause a loss of appetite, which means you are taking in fewer calories than usual. If you notice you are dropping pounds without trying, it's important to see your doctor to determine what's going on. The fourth symptom to be aware of is persistent abdominal pain or discomfort. This pain can feel like cramping, bloating, or a constant ache in your stomach area. It might come and go, or it could be more consistent. In some cases, the pain is due to tumor causing a blockage in your bowel, leading to symptoms like nausea, vomiting, or even a swollen abdomen. While stomach pain can be caused by many different conditions, if it is severe or ongoing, especially if combined with other symptoms on this list, it's time to get it checked out by a healthcare professional. The fifth symptom is a feeling that your bowels are not emptying completely. Even after you have just gone to the bathroom, this sensation can be frustrating and uncomfortable, and it's often caused by a blockage or tumor in the bowel. If you are experiencing this alongside other symptoms like abdominal pain, changes in bowel habits, or weight loss, it's essential to get medical advice right away. Ignoring this symptom could delay a diagnosis and treatment, which could impact your outcome. So guys, these are the 5 key symptoms of bowel cancer that require urgent investigation. Persistent changes in bowel habits, blood in your stools, unexplained weight loss, persistent abdominal pain, and the feeling that your bowels are not emptying properly. If you or someone you know is experiencing any of these symptoms, don't wait. Seek medical advice immediately. Early detection is critical and could make a life-saving difference. If you found this video helpful, please give it thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to Cause Health Hub for more health and wellness tips. Stay protective about your health, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks a lot.